I am sure you know that you now have the opportunity to increase your JAMB score. Some of you that have been crying, you wrote your JAMB, they cheated you, you got low score and all the rest. Please pay attention. Right now, I did a video earlier that said that JAMB is giving you the opportunity to rewrite your JAMB. This has never happened before, right? But when JAMB released this result for 2025 and it was just a flop, it was a mess up. I mean, people that read hard, people like you that put in the effort were getting 120, 129, 111, right? Even teachers, I know a biology teacher that got like 37 out of 100 in biology. Somebody that has taught biology for 18 years. So it wasn't the fault of people that there was mass failure. And because of that, there was this protest. I told you, everybody keep on tweeting, go online, and we kept doing that. Now, JAMB has told you to go ahead and reprint, go ahead and rewrite your result, your exam. How do you do that? It is not everybody that they scheduled for reprinting. It is only basically for those in Lagos and Southeast. But if your state is not among, please tell me in the comment section your state and the score that JAMB gave you. Your state, the score that JAMB gave you. Also the course you are targeting. Just tell me no matter the state so that we can begin to handle it, right? So for you to reprint, just go, whether it's scored high, whether it's scored low, whether you are in Lagos or in Southeast, anywhere, just go to this website. Slips, you can see this is the slip of one of my staff that just did his own today. You can see it, the website he used in checking his own. slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng. Can you see it? slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng. He did his own on 5th of May. So go and do your own immediately. Go and do what? Do your own reprinting immediately. Like I always say, this is not the time to start crying again or shouting that they gave you a different score, this one. Just follow simple instruction. Exam, so that it is not when the date they put for you has passed and you will now go and reprint and find out you were supposed to write your receipt for the exam 2 days ago or yesterday. Go and do that. Visit this website that I just shared with you right now. Visit it right now. Look at the website. Let me show you again. Visit this website right now. If you want me to share the link with you privately on your WhatsApp, that is for those that are joining our YouTube channel, click on join. You can see the option to join our YouTube channel. Just click on join our YouTube channel right now. Also like this video, do it right now. Like this video right now and share this video. Then also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, click on subscribe now. If you have any problem, anywhere you need me to assist you, please don't hesitate. Once you have joined and once you have subscribed and like and shared, don't hesitate to come under the comment of this video and tell me. If you are rescheduled to write JAMB, please use this period to study very hard. Even if you have just 1 day to study or 5 hours or 12 hours, use it and study. I've done more than 200 videos for JAMB candidate. Just mention the JAMB subjects you'll be writing. I could give you free access to all the videos we've done on that subject, whether it is the JAMB novel, Lucky Headmaster, whether it is English, literature, chemistry, physics, biology, economics. We have done tens of videos on there. You can spend this night or this day to watch them. Watch them with your pen, your paper, your textbook, your past question, so that you can prepare extra hard. If you prepare like 70% in the first time you wrote, you should be able to prepare like up to 80%, 90%. In fact, prepare 110% for this exam. There should be no excuse. The fault should not be from you. Remember what I said, the fault should not be from you. There is a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.